Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to clear Viber message history. If you want to clear your message history in Viber, launch the Viber application open on your smartphone and from the home page go to the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Settings. From the Settings option, click on Calls and Messages. Now click on Clear Message History and click on Clear in the pop-up, and doing this will clear all of your chat history from your Viber app. Every messages and conversations that you had will be deleted from your device permanently. And that's how you can easily do it. If you want to free up space or just start fresh, clearing message history is a simple and effective way to do it. But if there is any important texts or messages, we do not recommend you to do this, since you might lose all of your messages and history from your important chats as well. That is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.